as part of the Organization of Iranian American Communities, and we are here to be the voice of Iranian people, to say that the Iranian regime is not representing Iranian people.
Regime change in Iran! Change, change, change! Regime change in Iran!
We want the United Nations and also the National Security Council to hear our voice, that along with the Iranian people, we want to broadcast their voice, their will, and their fight for democracy in Iran and regime change in Iran.
Iranian people want peace in the region, want freedom inside Iran. And we are inviting anyone who is a peace-loving person to join us, to stop the atrocities and the expansionism of the Iranian regime.